Hi, welcome to Udemy and to my course series, Learn How Companies Run Agile Software Projects. My name is Gerd Marinelli and I hope you don't mind if we are on first name terms during the lessons and afterwards. I have been working as a project manager, business analyst, Scrum Master and Agile Coach for software companies for several decades now and have been able to accompany quite a few projects at well-known automotive manufacturers, aviation companies, medical technology companies and other manufacturing companies during this time. A special feature that you might like is that I have experience in both software development and project management, so I can understand the world from both perspectives. In this series of courses, you'll learn a lot about good and bad experiences, as well as a lesson on how to leverage the good and avoid the bad. I expressly do not claim that my words are universally valid and should be followed without restriction, because every company and every project is unique. I give recommendations and suggestions that should make your life easier and give you answers when you need them. What you do with them is entirely up to you. However, I recommend that not all of us have to reinvent the wheel, but that we can benefit from the mistakes and successes of others. Because it is precisely in this way of acting that we find the margin and time advantage that successful companies and people use to achieve, defend and expand an advantage. This course series does not correspond to a preparation course for certification. It contains diverse topics of different project management and process management methods relevant for project use, which are taught in a bundled and chronologically sorted manner. The teaching content of this course series is made by practitioners and professionals for practitioners and professionals and is otherwise only taught in large companies such as Siemens or Volkswagen. In this series of courses, I would also like to show you how closely process optimization methods, using the example of lean management, and error management methods, using the example of Six Sigma, are interwoven in an agile organization. These interrelationships shape life in a large company, and so you will also understand why what is handled in what way. This series of courses is aimed to all who work in an agile organization, want to work there, or want to develop an organization towards agility. To all those who want to understand why an existing agile organization does not work and who expect this series of courses to provide solutions and a broader understanding of the interrelationships. To all those who are thinking of solving identified deficits in the company through more agility. The content is aimed at management as well as leadership, executive team members and external resources, all those who need a common understanding of each other in an agile organization and an agile project, and to all those who want to use this course to lay the foundation for personal development in the company. The aim of this course series is to give you a comprehensive understanding of agile working in a large enterprise, ideal for bringing an agile project team to a common level of knowledge as a basis for collaboration, but also to create an understanding of the needs of other team roles as well as superior and subordinate teams and project levels. Scrum Masters, release and solution train engineers as well as Agile coaches should be able to use this series of courses as valuable suggestions for solving challenges from my project experience. We all know that especially in software development in the project English is spoken because many team members do not speak German and the code and documentation language are English. For this reason, I will make the German course content available in English on Udemy after this course series is completed. If you haven't already started this course via your employer's Udemy for Business account, I'd like to point you to this option from Udemy. Udemy for Business is an alternative worth considering for companies with 20 or more employees, because employees can use over 4,000 course contents for a flat monthly fee. This course is one of them. If you need support in your daily project work after this course, I can help you remotely or on-site in your company. You can find my offer on my website www.bizagility.de. After introducing myself to you in this lesson, I'll show you in the following lesson what options the Udemy platform offers you for course awareness. So, see you in a moment.